वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। नमपाई के लास्ट सेशन के अंदर आज हम देखेंगे वेरिएंस, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, कोवेरिएंस और कोरिलेशन कोफिशिएंट को किस तरह से कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा। सबसे पहले हम कोवेरिएंस को देखेंगे। कोवेरिएंस होता क्या है? कोवेरिएंस किसी वेरिएबल के अंदर जो वैल्यूज़ होती हैं, डेटा वैल्यूज़, उनमें कितना चेंज आ रहा है उसको कहते हैं। अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा चेंजेस और it is different from others is called variance. Here we have some data in x. 5 values are here. To find the covariance, first we will calculate summation. It is 17 here, and average value. In context of statistic, it is called as mean. It will be 3.4. Then we will find the x minus mx whole square. X is 2, mx is 3.4. X minus 3.4 will be minus 1.4, and the square of minus 1.4 equal to 1.96. In the same manner, we will find all the values for x minus mx whole square. Finally, we will find the summation of these values. This is the formula of variance: x minus mx whole square, summation of x minus mx whole square divided by n. The 11.2 value 11.2 will be divided by 5 and we get the variance. In the same manner, we can find the variance for y. In programming language, we have to use a method called as where. Where is a method to find the variance. 2, 3, 4, 2, 6 are stored in array A1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, and when we calculate in programming, our method will return the answer as 2.2399, which is approximately equal to 2 to 2.24, and for y the variance is 1.76. Now we will calculate how to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but how it is a quantity expressing how the data values are differ from mean value. How data values are differ from mean values. To calculate the standard deviation, we have to find the square root of variance. We already find the variance. The square root of variance is standard deviation. In context of programming language, we have to use a method called as std. We have to pass the value, pass the array in standard std method, and we get the result 1.49 for x, or here in context of programming a1, and standard deviation for y is 1.32, 1.3266. Now we will calculate covariance. Covariance is a joint variability of two data set, or in our programming context it is an array. Covariance is a joint variability of two data set. There are two types of covariance: positive covariance and negative covariance. Positive covariance means the arrays are positively related to each other, while negative covariance means the variables are inversely related. That means if one will increase, other will decrease. To find the covariance in mathematics, in arithmetic, first we have to calculate x minus mx, x minus mean value of x for each value, and y minus my for each value of y. Finally, we will multiply both of the columns, x minus mx and y minus my. Here it is. And finally, we will get the summation of x minus mx and y minus my. To find the covariance of x and y, we will divide the x minus mx multiplied by y minus my by n minus 1, n minus 1, where n is the number of element. In this case, the n is 5 for x, for y 5. Here we will divide 0.6 by 5 minus 1, and we will get the result of covariance as 0.15. In context of programming language, we have one method COV to find the covariance or relation variance between A1 and A2 arrays. The result of the covariance between A1 and A2 is here. It is displaying a 2D array containing 4 elements, where first part is showing the variance of x. The variance of x is 2.8. Covariance x comma y, that is 1.55, 0.15. Covariance for y comma x 0.15, and variance of y is here 2.2. So this is the result of COV method. If we will apply the covariance method between A2 and A1, not A1 and A2, here we are writing A2 comma A1, then result will be reversed. The V of y will come first, V of y, and V of x will come at end, last, 2.8 V of x, and the covariance values in the right diagonal. So this is how we calculate the covariance in mathematics and in Python. Now we'll see how to calculate correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient is nothing but a simple measurement of relationship between the variance of two variables. Measure the relationship between variance of two variables. In programming, we have to use a method correlation CORR, between array 1 and array 2. And in mathematics or arithmetic, we can write correlation coefficient equal to covariance of x and y divided by standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y. To solve in programming language, we just write the method and pass the argument as the arrays in between we want to find the correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient is between 0 to 1. Here in this case The result is containing a two-dimension array of 4 elements. The first part is correlation coefficient of x, that is 1. Second, x comma y 0.06, 0.06, and at end we will write correlation of coefficient of y, that is 1. This is all about the NumPy array. I hope हमारे जो 6 पार्ट हैं ये काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहेंगे आप लोगों के लिए NumPy array को समझने के लिए। आप लोगों से निवेदन है कि आप लोग सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें, जिससे कि नए आने वाले वीडियोज़ के बारे में आपको जानकारी मिल सके। धन्यवाद।